Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to begin with the topic in grammar, determiners. Now what are determiners? Now before beginning with what are determiners, just have a look at the slide where you find that the types of determiners are being mentioned or being explained here. Determiners are specifically they are the words which specify the range of reference of noun. Now, if we look at the meaning of this, we won't understand. So better by the way of the examples given, we'll understand. Now, determiners includes what? Includes articles. Now, articles you all are learning from your primary level. Articles, definite articles, indefinite articles, a and the is used for the definite articles, and is used for the vowels, and a and n are indefinite articles. Now demonstratives, this is my book, that is my book, these are my books, those books belongs to me. When we use such kind, these are known as demonstrative. That means we are demonstrating. Then comes the possessive pronouns. Now, possessive pronoun includes my name is so and so, our house is at the backyard, your dress is very lovely, he is my cousin. Now, when we specify his, her, his, his cousin is coming, her dress is beautiful, there. So these examples, these come under the possessive pronouns. When we look at the numerals, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these numerals are being used. It is also the type of the determiners. Then coming to the ordinals, that is first, second, third, fourth. She stood first in the class. He stood second in the class. And the third person came in the competition, was very talented. So such examples are of ordinals, and then comes the quantifiers. In quantifiers, few, another, several, much, many, a lot of, any, some, very. Whenever we use such words, these are known as quantifiers. So these are the 6 types of determiners. Many a times the numerals and the ordinals are being categorized into one category. That is, they come in one category and also known as numerals. So let's move ahead. Now here it gives you the clear meaning. Determiners are used in front of nouns. What is front of nouns? To indicate, first listen, indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type. Now, whenever we are using noun in a particular sentence, for example, if I take the example of the first one, this dress is beautiful. This hat is beautiful. Hat is a noun, so it comes before noun. That pastries are yummy. That means it comes before noun. And then again, my sister, my book, my pen, your book. So here similar examples again: my, your, her, its, our, your, their house is beautiful. So before noun we are using demonstratives, that is this, that, these and those. We can also use possessive adjectives, that is my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Then comes quantifiers, some, any, every, more, much, few, little. Articles, a, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So before the doctor we are using an. Then first, second, third, last, next. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 100. These are all what? These are included in determiners. So here we understand that determiners are what? They are used in front of noun to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type. Now coming to meaning and the types. Determiners are words which specify the range of reference of a noun. They are referring to noun. His brother lives in abroad. So we are referring to a noun. A determiner determines or limits a noun phrase, showing whether a phrase is definite. Example, the, this, my. Indefinite, some, much, or limiting it in some other way, such as through negation, no. So here we understand that given the meaning, that it is to specify the range of the noun, and it is been indicated by the words this, my, some, much, and sometimes by the word no. And as explained earlier, articles, what are included in determiners? Articles, demonstratives, possessive pronouns, quantifiers, and numerals. If we look at the fifth one, numerals, here they had included numerals, that is 1, 2, 3, and first, second, third, that is ordinal in one only. So it can be taken as one or it can be bifurcated in different types. So now let us understand that how determiners combine with nouns. That means how are we able to use them. Now given in the first column determiners type, zero article, indefinite article, definite article, possessive, demonstrative, quantifier, numeral, as we had seen earlier. Now what do you mean by countable nouns? From your basic level we have understood what the singular form of nouns in the plural form. Dog, dogs. Now definite article, the dog, the dogs, plural form. My dog, then my dog or your dog, in plural also it will be remaining same only. Then coming to this dog and these dogs. This dog and these dogs. This becomes plural form becomes these. That dog, plural form becomes those. In quantifiers, each and every dog, here in plural form it will be becoming, nothing will be coming because we are specifying each and every. So here we'll be writing all the dogs, many dogs, some dogs, few dogs, enough dogs, and then either, neither we will be specifying when it is singular and in plural both. So any dog, any dogs. No dog, no dogs. One dog, two or three dogs. So this is how we write down whenever it is in the form of the countable nouns, that is whenever it is in the form of the singular or plural form. Now coming to the uncountable nouns, that is the singular nouns. Now for money we never write down the money, we never write down the money, a money or an money. So whenever money is used, the noun money is used, we never use any kind of article. Now definite article, when we specify the money given by you to me, we are specifying that only money, then only we can use the. My money and your money, yes, it can be. My money had been robbed. Your money had been robbed. This money will be useful to you in future. That money can purchase your necessities. All the money which you had been saving can be utilized for your future. I have some money, I have some saving, I have much money kept for my future, a little money, I have enough money for my future, any money, no money. So everything which can be utilized, that means quantifiers can be utilized here. Then coming to the sometimes more than one determiner occurs in the same noun phrase. Example, all the books. In such cases, determiners occur in a fixed order. Now, I hope you all have understood. Now it is the activity time. So you are expected to write this and then solve it. I hope children you have understood the topic very well. Thank you children. God bless you all.